Trade and transport unions on Friday observed a nationwide strike in India to protest the recent amendments to goods and services tax rules, e-way bill and the rising fuel prices. Commercial markets in parts of the country remained shut and private transport was hit.
Trade and transport unions on Friday observed a nationwide strike to protest the fuel price hike and amendments to GST, the goods and services tax rules, demanding a review of the GST system and simplification of the tax slabs. Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led government had launched the GST in 2017 and replaced more than a dozen federal and state levies, unifying a 2 trillion economy into one of the world's biggest common markets. However, the regime continues to face a lot of criticism since then, for reasons including increase in compliance burden.
जीएसटी की कर प्रणाली को चुस्त दुरुस्त करना होगा, सरल करना होगा, जिससे आम व्यापारी भी जीएसटी की कर पालना अच्छे तरीके से कर सके। जिस तरीके से मौलिक अधिकारों का हनन करके व्यापारियों को अधिकारियों को जो अधिकार दिए गए हैं वो वास्तव में चिंता का विषय है और निश्चित रूप से जीएसटी को इतना कठिन बना दिया है।
Commercial markets remained shut in parts of India on Friday as part of the nationwide strike, and transporters also joined the protest against fuel price rise as petrol prices have breached the century mark in parts of the country. They also demanded scrapping of the e-way bill laws. The e-way bill is the permit that transporters have to carry while moving goods from one place to another. The recent amendments in the GST laws has narrowed the validity of the e-way bill by increasing distance from 100 km to 200 km per day.